Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make zombie enemy in third-person shooter kit basing on some assets from marketplace which I got. That's this guy. So he will use a melee tag like this one and approach the player. So let's get started. So first what we need to do is re-import uh, his animation into mannequin skeleton mannequin mesh. So what we need to do is copy this guy, copy this asset skeleton mesh for from this zombie. I'll call it like okay, and then we need to assign. So let's save it first. And we'll assign the mannequin skeleton for this zombie, which is right click, assign skeleton. So it should be like something like this. Yeah. So I guess it's mannequin skeleton, right? So as you can see, fortunately for us, every bone has the same name. Structure is completely the same, so everything should work. Let's accept. Okay, saved. Let's open this. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, he uses the mannequin skeleton now. Let's go to animation tab. And yeah, and with previous settings, there should be like mannequin, and now there is zombie too. So now he can use all the animations from the kit, from the regular soldier. So basically, you can also use them as a player as you want, or as an enemy with animations from the soldiers. But of course, we don't want that. We want him to use this kind of melee attacks and charge for especially for the zombie. So what we need to do is to retarget this animation along with, I guess, with some walking animation. To do this, you need to go to the first first skeleton mesh and skeleton. Sorry, and there should be something like retarget manager. Yeah, and there's a select rake, and there should be the one rake with typos. Okay, and this let's save it. And this use the this way, and this is the default mannequin rig. So, but now the problem would be that in mannequin skeleton he has a pose like this. So retargeting from T pose to A pose could break the animation. As you can see, he's using the rig too. So what we need to do is to modify this pose into the T pose, same as this zombie. And to do this, I made an animation for it. I guess it was like a T pose. Oh, manic T pose, something like that. Pose. You can see there is a pose. There's plenty of animations here. I don't remember the name exactly. Pose. Oh, here it is, of course. Was at the top. So that's a T-pose like animation with one frame. What we can do now is go to skeleton. Oh, shit. Yeah, we need to set it up here, like in previous settings. Just a sec. Let's find it in content browser. Go to the skeleton, and now in previous settings, choose this animation. Okay, great. And now I guess we can modify pose. Nope. Non-selected. Use current pose. Yeah. So okay, let's save it, I guess, and yeah, and the pose should be the same as this guy. Okay, so let's go for the animations from this guy. Okay, we have some attack 1, and there's like 2 hand attack 3. Okay, well, we can check this out here. So it's charge, and I don't know, is there something like movement? Yeah, move forward. Okay, so I'm guessing we only need like attack 2, attack 3, this charge, like move forward, and there's something like charge. Yeah, charge, Z1 charge. Right click, and should be something like create a copy for another skeleton, and we can now choose this mannequin. So we'll use this animation. Let's change the folder. Shit, we can't. We can. I'll make it a folder for it. Will be in mannequin animations. Zombie. Okay, let's go back to this guy. I guess when he was. Oh, yeah. And yeah, now create a copy for another skeleton. Let's choose the mannequin skeleton. Let's change the folder to zombie. Third person to keep mannequin animations zombie. Okay, prefix I will add as like a animation sequence. And I guess this is it. Like, let's see, it's retarget. Let's see what happens. Okay, I think it's done. And let's go. Let's save this skeleton. And let's go to our mannequin back into animation. We go, and we should have this Z1 or not. Zombie. Oh, there we go. Let's save this. Probably it didn't refresh. Move forward. Okay, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That's the animation for the mannequin. That's from him, and we can of course change the change the mesh, I guess, in previous settings. So they can be used in both ways. The mannequin can use it too, like you can see, if you want. Okay, let's save this cut and just not save. Okay, so we got the animation, so that's awesome. Now we can use basically this guy already. So let's make a new level. Okay, make bigger. Let's set some nav mesh. Nav mesh bones volume. Okay. Okay. This is it. Okay. Yeah, it's done. Okay, now let's go to blueprint. There should be something like AI, human AI. Yeah, and third person shooter AI. Okay, we can close it already, I guess. Okay, skeleton, yeah. Okay, so basically what we want to use the same blueprint for soldier and zombie. Like, it's no reason to make it like separate. So what we need to do is change this guy skeletal mesh and by only a ball. So let's go to construction script first. Construction script. There you go. Seconds. Okay. Okay. So what we need to do is okay. We need to create a variable that will tell us is it a zombie or not. So let's make new variable somewhere in AI character settings, I guess. Yeah. And I will copy this one of them just to make it quicker. Let's name it. It's a zombie. Okay. Now it's editable, so you can place him on the level, and it will, you can change it during the editor. Of course, later we will make a child for this blueprint, so it'll be much easier, but for the testing you can make it editable, leave it editable. Okay, let's tooltip rename it to should this enemy be a zombie type. Okay, save and compile. Okay, awesome. So by default, it will be now it will stay as false. Okay, in construction script, we want to change this skeletal mesh based on this variable. So let's add a branch. Okay, and let's add this like is zombie connect here, and well, let's move it out of the way. And we need to change the skeletal mesh first, right? So let's point it out here. Set skeletal mesh. And now it was named like C1 body mannequin. Yeah. Okay. We need to change the material for him too, because now he will use the mannequins ones. So set material. Material. Yeah. Okay. And the material was like body. Yeah. This is it. Yeah. Some body mat. Type of zombie materials. I guess this is it. Okay. And we need to change animation. We'll do this later, like the anim class, animation blueprint class. And now we need to destroy some components, because as you can see, there are another like additional measures just for the visibility, and like this one on the head. Like, yeah, just for the visuals, and also the weapons, right? So because he won't shoot any weapons, any guns or whatever. And so let's move like assault rifle here, pistol. Oh, what happened? Assault rifle, shotgun should be like something like silence pistol silence, yeah. And additional meshes like the eye mesh, just for the, yeah, because he won't use it. Heart. Yeah, and I guess this is it, like 4 eyes, right? And yep, and heart, yeah. Okay, so now this, let's see, it's like now destroy compound. Okay, and we need to plug everything here. Yeah, so it'll be destroyed after this, when this guy is placed in the ward. Okay. Okay, and I guess this is it for now. Yeah, and we can collapse this down to save some space, like zombie settings. Okay. There's one more step. It's not you won't rather use it this way, but if you want to, you can like change it, place this, not making like a child of this blueprint, and switching this his type in the word, right? So for the sake of it, to make it work, we need to, for the mesh, we need to make something like change everything back. So for the mesh, let's need to set skeletal mesh like the default one, which is sk mannequin. Yeah, I will show you how this works in a minute. So set and then material, and for the index 0 would be I guess dissolve something. dissolve body. Yeah, I think that was it. Dissolve AI. Yeah, dissolve AI. Yeah. Okay. Um, okay, and for the index one, that will be chest, right? Dissolve chest. Chest. Yeah. Okay. 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 Let's plug this in. Let's close it to notes, which is mannequin settings. Settings. Great. Okay, so let's save and compile and see it how to work in the level now. Probably something broke. Like there's more to be done, but we can test some stuff already. So let's find this guy in the content browser. Okay, and now let's place it on the level. Yeah, probably broke something. Yeah, it's supposed to be one element index for the chest, the material. Okay, save. Yeah, let's go back. As you can see, it's okay. And all right, there should be variable zombie now. And let's see. Yeah, so you can see he's changing, and he's changing back. So basically, well, of course he won't shoot or anything else, but then there'll be plenty of errors now if I start. I don't know. Okay, let's play it, but it should kind of work now. Or not. It's the first time when I hit play in this project, so maybe something's like it's compiling or something like that. Okay, it takes eternity. Bear with me. All right. Then what we're going to do is basically delete everything which is related to is it like crashed or something? I don't know. We're gonna delete everything which is related to weapons for this guy because he won't shoot. And what else? Then we need to change something in animation blueprint, so he will use different animations for the walk. And then what else? And then some logic with the melee attack, which is already here, but we're gonna add some additional stuff. Takes eternity. Try to speed up this process, maybe cut this part. Okay. It's doing something, but shit. It might be out of RAM or something. Whoa. There you go. That was long. Finally. And okay, so this is it. He's running around, as you can see, some way. And yeah, okay, got it. And there are, of course, plenty of errors because it's related to that he's trying to reach the shooting mechanics, guns, and so on, and he don't have it, of course, so there's some errors. I tried to play it again, and that will be, oh, as you can see, it's much faster now. So it's probably like some lag compiling thing. Anyway, so let's go back to the blueprint. As you can see, it's kind of work already. And so what we need to do is now delete everything which is related to shooting. So I think we can go to event graph. We can go to shooting logic. And there's some checks. As you can see. Okay, and let's add another like check for it. Is not zombie. That will be check for is not zombie. Get is zombie. Yeah. So if it's not zombie, he can shoot. Okay. And so we can get this part. And what else? Stored kit. No, it's okay. It's okay. Crouching. We don't want him to crouch. Of course, like that would be very weird to crouch. Of course, you can leave it, but I don't have animations for crouching now, so I'll put like bull if it's get is zombie. Yeah, and it's done. So if it's zombie, he won't do anything. If it's not, he will crouch as a soldier. Okay, and let's go to neutral settings for a second. There was something with the guns probably. Yeah, outer loading on start or something. Yeah, update weapons based on data table. We don't want this probably. You know what? That should be maybe okay. Yeah, for sure we need to change. We need to skip this. We'll cover this. There will be errors, of course, and we can like narrow this down later. So if it's zombie, sorry, if it's not zombie, yeah, I think, yeah, it's zombie. Oops. Yeah. So if it's not zombie, if it go to false, get the transforms and so on for the normal soldier. If it is, just skip it. What else would you need to do? I think that the best way is like fastest way is to deploy it and just narrow this down. It doesn't mean that it won't work now, it just will spawn you with the errors and I want to just get rid of it now. Okay, let's see, and let's play this. Okay, there are some, yeah, as you can see, there are some errors. Okay, so what is it? It's trying to set the dynamic materials for the guns because the guns are dissolving and needs to have it, but we don't have a gun, so that's why there's an error. What you need to do is like get materials, mesh component, I guess. You know what? If mesh component is, say, is valid, go on. If it's not, just move on. All right. So it won't do anything. It won't try to reach it. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, let's play. Okay, there are plenty more. Yeah, set visibility for weapons. Oh shit, this is like a global function, I guess. Yeah. I will try to look for it. Hide show multiple in the yeah. This blueprint. Yeah, update weapon visibility and recoil. Yeah, we don't want this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we don't want it to do because there's no guns. So let's add a check, another check. Like, well, I'm holding B and click to do this quicker. Get is zombie. Yeah. So if it's not, do it. If it is, just go on. Just ignore it. And so compiling. All right. So let's check another. Yeah, it's the same. It's the same check. So shit. What was that? Yeah. I will just copy this to like get muzzle flash location. There's of course no muzzle flash here. So this is it. Yeah. You can return 0 and shouldn't like do anything. I shouldn't compile. Takes too much time. Okay, so we should get rid of this error already. So let's save it. Close the stuff. Let's play for a second. And there you go. Okay, he's running around. Whatever. He probably like, yeah, he's starting to knock me up when I'm close to him. So it behaves like a normal soldier, just without shooting, with the default settings. Let's close it. Yeah, as you can see, there's no errors. All right, so we got kind of discovered. So what we need to do is to swap his animations. Yeah, and we should be kind of good to go. So basically, we can already. I think we can already go to animation blueprint. Okay, so let's go to animations. ABP mannequin. Oh, sorry, this is for the player. AI, of course. All right, so let's add another variable here that we call the same as in in character blueprint. Excuse me, and of course, technically you can use the variable from the character blueprint, but for the sake of the optimization, let's do it here. Is zombie. Okay, awesome. Let's compile. So, but the default will be false. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to go. Well, stale. Yeah. We need to go to anim graph. There should be something related to melee attack. Okay, and there is some logic for melee attack for the kick and so on. I'm kind of doing this some blending here, some fancy stuff, but we don't want this because we have a like full animation just for this melee attack. So so let's do it this different way, and we're gonna use the montage. So let's use blend by bool. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, and the condition will be is zombie. Awesome. All right. So for if this zombie, let's use slot, which be default slot, which there should be only one, I guess. Maybe. Yeah. Well, I made a couple more. If you want to, you can use. You can make new one. I just made it more for the separate animation just to get rid of the warning here, because I really want to only to use once for some reason. I'm not sure. Maybe the warning is gone already. Okay, so basically, if it's a zombie, he will use. This means he will use the montage, and we want to use as a base use locomotion. Yeah, and if it's false, which is the soldier, of course, melee attack pose and so on. So we can add check if it's blending with zombie type. I don't know. Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's save it. Okay, compile, and I think almost done. Let's go to locomotion state machine, which can be accessible probably from like here. No, sorry. Yeah, anim graph locomotion. Yeah, this is it. And we need to go for the idle run. Okay, so there you go. And well, and if it's not searching for player, we're not gonna use for the better, as you can say, for the better blending, we're not gonna use blend space. So blend by bool. Okay, so let's plug it in for the false, and then get is zombie. Okay, if it's not zombie, just use it as whoa. Just go on with it as usual. Well, it's kind of okay. And if it's zombie, let's add another blend by bool. Okay, and we have some variable named movement velocity, I guess. Get movement velocity. Yeah, there you go. And we're gonna check if it's 0. Oh, not. Okay. So basically, if it's 0, it means it doesn't move. So let's add, I guess C1 idle. Yeah. Oh, no idle. Oh, we didn't retarget the idle animation for him. Okay, just a sec. There was animations. Die. Yeah, something. Yeah. We have idle for him. Okay. Well. So right click, retarget anim assets. Yeah, this guy, and we're gonna change the folder to first person shooter kit, mannequin animations, and zombie. Yeah, and the prefix will be as underscore. Okay, retarget. Okay, yeah, awesome. Save. Well, take some time. Okay, let's do it. Oh, and there. Whoa, man, autosave, of course. Alright, so let's drag this idle animation over here. So when his movement velocity is 0, which means it doesn't move, let's say a true pose, which is idle. And when he's not, let's use, I don't know, this chart, or I think the chart is more suitable here. Okay, and we kind of okay now. Yeah, we should be okay, pretty okay now. I don't think we need anything more for this blueprint. Okay, so let's browse it. Cut the browser, right click and create a child class, child blueprint class. Awesome. And let's call it zombie, mannequin AI zombie, whatever. Open it. Open it. Okay, there you go. And you can swap the all assets if you want over here. But we don't want to do it just now. Let's find a variable is zombie. Okay, and let's click true. Okay, and I guess he's starting using the idle pose, but I can see because I made a aiming pose over procedural aiming pose, so now he has a that's quite good anyway. Now he has a different idle pose, but he still start to aim. All right, so Oh, of course, not edit preview, but edit defaults is zombie. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of that in a second. You can click here to get to the parent already. Okay, so let's copy this stuff and let's go to onion graph. You need to save skeleton. Oh, not this. Jesus. Okay, blueprint. Not this blueprint. Almost. Okay. Yeah, there's some section from aiming. I guess it's here. Yeah. So let's branch that. Well, okay. So we don't need this all aiming thing. So, well, not. I made it wrongly. Okay. So if it's zombie, if it's well, let's say if it's not zombie, use it as it is. If it's zombie, use only locomotion. Don't use the whole stuff. With the aiming, compile and save. Let's go back to the zombie animation graph. Yeah, so you can see he's not using aiming. Here's a gun in just the preview for this for persona. I guess this is it. Not sure. Not sure. I guess this is it. And yeah, this is it. Okay, let's play. Now, one more thing. When in character blueprint, we need to go to construction script and of course change this animation blueprint. So let's go. And that was called set anim instance class. Okay, let's copy, paste, copy this. Paste set anim instance class. Okay, I guess ADP zombie. Oh yeah, awesome. Okay, let's copy this, go back to mannequin settings, and of course we need to like use it back to the mannequin if you want to like swap it. You can do it in different ways too if you want. MBP mannequin and yeah. There we go. There we go. Okay, save. So let's test it in game now. I think he should. What he should do? He should move differently a bit. Yeah, or not. Yeah, well, yeah, he still have a, you know, combat logic. He's not going to me now. So let's fix it. You know what? Let's do the melee attacks first because he will still using the kicks, I guess, or not. Oh, he doesn't use anything. Maybe he's like, I'm too stupid to use this melee attacks. I don't know. Yeah, because of course we made a branch in animation blueprint here over here for the melee attacks. So he tries to he was in this pose. He was trying to use a melee attack, but he didn't have any montage played, and he used just locomotion and stuck. Okay, so what do we need to do? Let's open because in the animations with for melee attacks for the mannequin for the soldier there are some notifies, and let's copy them to our new melee attacks for the zombie. Right click, copy, and that was Z1 attack 1. Yeah, so okay, by relative, and which is melee damage start, which is somewhere from here onto here, I guess. Yeah, and a melee attack end will be at the, well, we can use somewhere here, which means like its end, he will blend into idle. Okay, Save. Takes eternity. Okay, let's copy them. And that was like 100 frames for this attack. Let's go to another attack with 100 frames too. And I think you can paste absolute, which will be at the same place because it's a mirror animation. Or no, it's kind of longer, I guess. Yeah. So maybe somewhere here. Okay, another attack. Okay, we're kind of okay, I think. Now what we want to do is create montage out of them. So let's find them in counter browser and right click, create montage. Yep. And I will call it IM montage zombie melee attack. Okay. Okay, so there is one attack from the right side, and let's add here drag another one. Okay, so it's 1 and 2. Okay, let's rename this sections. Like we don't want it to default to name it like default. It will be like right attack, maybe right. Oops, right, and new motor section left. Just for the type it wrongly. Left. There you go. And let's place it over here. Got it. Okay, so we got one for the right and one for the left. Awesome. Save. So now we kind of okay, and we need to go to the melee attack logic to use like there's something like melee attacks graph. And now let me think. We need to, because we want to use this guy. Well, it's kind of sloppy. Oh, there you go. Well, I don't know. It's sometimes it's freezing because we still want to use the soldier, so we need to diverse it a bit. I'm losing focus on this. Okay, so he will use his melee attack, and we'll use this branching again. This zombie. If now, go on. If yes, we need to. We're gonna use randomization, so he will use randomly left attack, right attack. You can change it if you want. So let's say random bool, and let's make it a variable out of it. And say use zombie left attack. Okay, and let's go on, and for this part category, let's make new category called zombie. And okay, so we random, and then we need to go with play anim montage. Awesome. And we will have zombie melee attack only one. Okay, there we go. Zombie melee attack, awesome. And the start section name, with the start section name, we'll use select. Connect this. Use, oh man, we run out of space. Oh, shit. Okay, we can connect it this way, but I will use it more. Oh, there you go. And one will be use zombie left attack, which means for true will be left, and for false will be right. And that is the name of the section that we set up here, the montage. Awesome. Yes, yeah, this right hand light. Okay, let's go back here, and just we need to plug this in. When we are covered, he will play the animations. It will kind of work, but already, but the thing is, he will the tracing could be not can be kind of broken. I will show you. Because we need to trace, like look for the collision for his hands, not for this like I don't know, weapons and so on. So I guess, yeah, he's kind of worked already. Yeah, he's kicking me off the true. And we need to fix it. You know what? Oh, and we will change it. This logic is changing behavior tree. But we'll go back. We'll go to behavior tree later. For now, let's fix the tracing thing, which is tracing logic. As you can see, the tracing is from for the soldiers from hand and to end of muzzle flash of the gun. Awesome, but he shouldn't use like kick and melee normal like weapon attacks. And so so what we need to do is you need to expand this melee attack type. And so let's go to command browser and maybe another one. And I guess it's called in blueprints anoms. Oh man, melee. Yeah, melee attacks. And that's another. Yeah, we need two because we have two attacks. So zombie melee right. Oh, zombie melee left. Awesome, save. And let's go back here. Oh, yeah, and we got this. Zombie melee right and left. Awesome. And let's expand this. And you know what? We can copy this part and like use, I know what was the first, right? Melee, zombie melee attack, right. And for the right would be, I guess from his upper arm, we can of course, like they can do it, which bones is supposed to be, yeah, for the upper arm to his hand, he will like, when the player will touch it and he will get damage. So awesome. Upper arm, copy selectable names. Yes, yeah. Upper arm and hand. Oh, well, this is, yeah, right. Yeah, hand and underscore R. Yeah, and let's. Okay, we kind of covered. That was quick. And let's connect this. Save for the sake of it. And yeah, we need to do the same for the left. So for the left hand, okay, copy paste. What we need to do is change this to left, bone name L, like left, and hand left, and connect it to the zombie bone, zombie left. We can change this to maybe more visible. Okay, I guess you need to, your call covered. Let's drag it over here to be more visible and connect with the rest of the logic. Okay, and there is something, oh yeah, there is something with damage values. Okay, we have some, we can have separate values for the damage value for this melee attacks. So let's look for an interval time. I will use the interval time to say setting damage interval time. Melee damage interval time. Where is like a damage value? Oh, there it is. Damage player. Yeah, let's do this first. Damage player. Yeah, as you can see, hit location. Yeah, it's all the same. Side stick. Yeah. As you can see, there's damage min and max. Let's copy and paste it, and let's create You know why? What? Damage min. Pistol melee damage min. I will just copy, just duplicate it. Min, that'll be zombie melee damage min. And let's copy, make another one, and that'll be max for the maximum. Yeah, if you can create for the left attack, right attack, you know, different damages and so on, but just to make it quickly, I will use only for that. All right, so connect, well, yeah, connect the left attack, right attack to set the damage values. Okay, like this one. Oh, it's kind of sloppy. Okay, yeah. Zombie attacks. Okay, should be okay. And let's no, let's not compile it yet. We need to go back to tracing logic. Yeah, we have something like zombie melee attack left and right. So there's some interval time, which means how often she's supposed to trace. You know what? You can make, let's make another one. Okay, just for the zombie will be melee damage interval time sidekick. Yeah, well, that's a pistol one. It doesn't, which is rename it to melee, which is zombie melee damage interval time. Awesome. And get it here, copy paste. Yeah, and connect it to this attacks. Yeah, we'll use the same, what the hell, the same you know, interval time for the left or right attack for the same, for the simplicity. Okay, let's save. And what else we need to do? Kind of okay, do we? It could, yeah, the whole movement fig. And yeah, let's say the defaults will, yeah, there you go, okay. Category, yeah, let's say, you know why? I will put it into zombie category. That would be much easier. Damage player, and same with this guy. Melee attacks, zombie, and zombie. Variables, and should be section here like zombie. Okay, let's see the values for it. Yeah, so here we like damage like 20. Between 20 and 20. Now let's say between like 5 and I don't know, 15 randomly. Okay, let's save, and we're almost done. Let's compile this. Now we need to go to, I think, oh, save this too. I think we need to go to behavior tree now. We're not going to use, we're not going to change anything. Still saving. We're not going to change anything very specific for this in behavior tree, but rather in the task. So okay, let's close. Yeah, human AI, and should be something like BP human AI, and there should be something like not combat. Yeah, combat movement. Yeah, because it's in combat, of course. No. We need to go to moving toward, yeah, even graph, and we need to fix the load, because the zombie will go to the player all the time, I'm assuming. Like he will like chart him and tries to chase him. That's why we need to change this logic for a bit, because he now would, like default soldier, he walks to the player, but like tries to make another decision later, and so he works differently a bit. Okay, so we have something like started movement over here. You know what? There's a pound only, so we need to. Yeah, is it a pound? Yeah. So we need to cast to BP per person. Yeah, we need to know if it's, zombie, enemy. Oh man. Okay, if it's like can cast spell, if it's not this blueprint for some reason, let's finish this task. All right, so let's add the condition get is zombie. Awesome. If it's not, just go on. And if it's true, you know what? Let's make more room. Okay. And well, you know what? And what we need to do is he should go all the time to the player. So the target actor would be get player character, right? So he will find the player character and go. The pawn would be, of course, him. I need to copy this connection. Yeah. And success fail, the same thing. Okay, and I think we're good. Kind of good. We're kind of good. There is another there's some function check distance to the player, but I don't think so. It should be changed here. Okay. Yeah, and there is service check. I think that triggers this, melee attack. Let's look for it. It's called melee. Start melee attack. Player in melee range. I'm not sure. No, it's just a check. Just a check. We need to start. Yeah, this is it. What we need. And start melee attack. Logic. All right. So again, again we need to basically stopping movement. Well, what is it? Stop shooting. Stop assault. The movement shooting. I guess we can already. Doesn't really that matter, but we can somewhere over here. We have this TPS AI character. Get it, and get is zombie. We can branch it here. Oh yeah, there you go. And there you go. Okay, and then well, there's some logic for the key attack and melee attack. There's some randomization here, but we already have it in the character blueprint, so we're kind of okay. So let's copy this and paste and say start weapon melee attack, because that's where this plugged in. So weapon attack, and there's maybe, yeah, like just a print text for the lock to see what's going on. Start melee zombie attack. I don't know, something like this. Save, compile. Yeah, and we're going here into send, which means the script will go here to melee attack. If it's zombie, play montage. Okay, and then that notify should be okay, and we're kind of okay. So, and now we're gonna change view. Let's delete this guy because we're not going to use it anymore. Let's browse and create child class, which will be AI zombie. Let's close it and open again. Just have default. Yeah, there we go. And now, what we need to change is some behavior settings, which is, let's collapse everything, which is in behavior, keeping player, let's see, we don't have to go into cover, of course, which is kind of maybe weird. So let's cover point center is set to 0, so he will never look, you know, find any cover. We can optimize it later, like with the service, like looking for cover from time to time, but it should be okay. It's like for, it could be optimized more. And player connection, keep distance fine, I guess this is it. Yeah, move closer to player, move away from player. We want him to move closer to player only. So move closer distance, and which means one he should stop. I don't know, like very slow amount, like 40. And restart time. Do we need this? We kind of shouldn't need it, I think, because he will like going all the time, chasing all the time, and when he's close, he will like attack, and then when he's like still close, he will attack, and so on, so on. And what else? Minimum distance to player, like should be the same, because if that will be 200, he won't, he will like keep the distance like by 2 meters. So we don't want this. Keeping distance, go to cover point execution probably. We can set it to 0 for the optimization. And move closer offsets. I don't think so. We need this at all, like changing this at all, because he will like go to, as we change it, he will go to the play character. You know what? There's something like melee settings should be maybe melee. I don't know. Let's look for a melee. Are there some melee settings here? Yeah, there are some damages, the values, melee attack detection distance. I think the 60 is okay. So he will of course detect him, like he'll be, maybe 60 is too much. Oh, we'll test it. Of course, you can see the debug lines and so on, so you can like tweak it. Drum melee trace. Let's for the testing for 1 frame, set it for 1 frame. So we'll use when the traces for from his arms if it works. And the most important thing is zombie variable, set it to true, of course. And I guess, I don't know, that should be it. That could be it. Okay, and let's find it, get this guy. Whoa, I lost it. Browse, let's find this guy here, close to here. Yeah, there we go. I think I already just realized one that we could make one more thing, one more change. Well, play. Oh shit. Oh, there we go. Yeah, what's up, guy? Jeez. He's not attacking me for some reason. Yeah. Yeah, attacks works, but he's not moving for some reason. I just probably forgot something. Yeah. So here, as you can see, he randomly attacks me, but he's not moving towards me for some reason. I don't know. Yeah, the nav mesh is here. So the combat state supposed to be fight, move left, sub-combat state. Let's open the behavior tree then. Yeah, he stuck's here. And target actor, accepting radius. Ah, you know what? That would be cool if I would like connect it. Okay, so he's approaching. Oh, he's very fast. Yeah, as you can see, I think his traces are a bit off. His trace, yeah, You can see, yeah, traces are a bit off. Something is going on here. We need to go to third person try and go to the tracing logic again. Maybe I typed it wrongly. Upper arm, trace starter S, and that's kind of weird. Upper arm, hand L. Maybe it has a different. No, hand L, hand R, upper arm, trace start, trace end. I don't know why he's. Let's debug this. Okay, start. Yeah, let's. Which one? Yeah, trace end is 0 because in socket name. I think, yeah. So I named it wrongly. Hand. No, actually it's hand underscore R. Jesus. This I think I name it right. And copy select mod names. Let's go back to where he was. Hand paste it. And R trace and something is missing here, I guess. Mesh hand R and L. The same. Well, the same bone name, so it should find it. Something is. That's weird. Let's test it again. And R and O. Let's, for the sake of it, just let's find hand and R hand. Okay, copies. Yeah. So I don't know. I might spell it wrongly. It's hand. No, it's okay. Let's paste it. No, it's the same. So for some reason he can't find let's add the breakpoint over here. He can't find location for this bone for some reason. Let's play kind of. Yeah, let's see what this says. 0, 0, 0. Yeah. Yeah, of course, because he tries to use melee melee attack, pistol melee attack, of course, and he, you know, he's looking for the gun. That's no a question that doesn't work. And let's go. Well, let's go back to not tracing logic. We can close that damage. We can close that. And what was that? Combat like melee. Switching. No. Mannequin. No. Fuck. Melee attacks. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. And setting melee attack type based on the current weapon. You know what? It should be done differently, I think. We need to say which type of attack he should use, right? So let me think. Melee attacks. Yeah, and of course, yeah. We need to check if it's. Can we do this way? Well, we can branch it, or we can use it like this, like copy this and paste. Of course, For stop reloading, we don't. He doesn't reload, right? He doesn't reload, so we don't need it anyway. So for the melee attack type, it's one for the right for the left. Okay, and we need to branch for use zombie left attack. If it's left attack, it's left attack type, and so on. Okay, and we are good. Okay, let's compile. Hopefully it will work. And yeah, save. Okay, let's go. Yeah, so the trace is okay, as you can see. Yeah. He is moving too fast, but it works. I don't like the blending between the start and run. So let's go to the locomotion again to idle run. This is zombie. Yeah, I don't like it. So let's see. 125 will be like blending more. He will blend. I don't know, more smoothly. And there's one more thing. What we can do is make this blind space running for this guy, because he won't use the soldier animation, and he will like patrolling and so on. So let's make a copy out of it, and like zombie. We should be like, yeah, as you can see, yeah, that's for the soldier, but let's change the only for the idle animation. You can change all of it if you want. Yeah, and let's change the anim preview, whatever. Yeah, for this guy. So as you can see, he won't use the gun animation. So move forward. I guess this is it. And like charge. Here I got this something. Maybe move forward should be here. Actually. Yeah. And now in this ABP mannequin AI zombie, you have something like idle run, and you can switch these blind spaces to VS running zombie, just the assets, and I need to change the logic. That's pretty cool. You might change it for the rest of it if you have time, animations and so on. And we're kind of good, I guess. Yeah, he was running too fast. So let's change that. And well, what happened? Okay. Let's go to melee. Like, we don't need to see this tracing, and I guess it's run speed. Maybe not that fast, like maybe 400 or something. Save. Compile. Okay. Let's play this guy. Well, it's moving very fast anyway. Okay. I guess that's weird. I changed it, but it didn't change. Okay. Is he slower? Yeah, I guess he's slower. Still sliding anyway. So let's say 300, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, shit. For some reason it didn't save my settings, so melee, of course we don't want that. As you can see, it didn't. Okay, I don't know. It didn't want me to compile for some reason. Okay, let's test this. Okay. Yeah. And we can do one more thing. Because when we kill him, he disappears like that. So let's go. Oh yeah, and there's some errors. Oh man. So let's fix this. Yes, there are some errors regarding the weapon meshes which we deleted. So we need to branch it, of course. Well, what is it? We need to branch it to get rid of those errors, like this. Well, get is zombie. If it's false, go on. And we need only this capsule component to have disabled collisions. Okay, like this, and yeah, well, and go on. Okay, and let's see other errors. The collision is all the same. Weapon let go. Oh man, there's no weapon here. So yeah, false. Connected here. Get is zombie. Okay. If it's zombie, just skip it. Okay, and yeah, there should be no more errors. And yeah, let's fix that disappearing thing. It's pretty simple, actually, because the mechanics, like they're already here. We need to just change his material a bit. Yeah, let's look for it. This is the body mat, something like this. Yeah, and I made some material function, just call me dissolve, well, dissolve, hide with dissolve. I think this is it. Material function dissolve. Well, yeah. So mf hide with dissolve, and so we need to make a material attributes and reconnect this. Roughness, normal, subsurface core, and here we need to change blend mode to masked and use material attributes. Then connect all of three. Then you can make it for all of your materials if you want them to use use the dissolve logic. Okay. Let it save. Oh man, takes eternity. But we should be good to go, and I think this is it. This is the end. Of course, you can change the sound of the hits, or whatever, like when he gets damaged. I don't have any sounds here, so let's test it. What he was like looking over there. Well, he's still using this. Yeah, we need to change this on him. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Default. Yeah, if you want to like change this default like pose, I think I'm not sure which is it. You can do it here. Probably some idle, yeah, and use Z1. Oh shit, Z1 idle, I guess. Crouch walk. For walk hidden, you need to change for to change the, you know, Z1, otherwise, I don't know, move forward. Yeah, if you want. Yeah, there's plenty to change here if you want. Okay, yeah, so he's losing the idol now, and it's like he's scaring me and not going. Yeah, the time when he can tweak also the time when he's like not reacting, because he's supposed to like do like look for the player, so on. So it's the, no, sorry, not look at the player, like aiming. That's the, and if they're done with like the soldier, he will like start to shoot. You can of course disable that, tweak it, or leave it if you want, whatever. All right, so I think we got it. I think we got it. He attacks us. Yeah. Right hit, left hit, right hit. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, headshot. Done. All right. Thanks for watching, and I hope that will be useful for your games. See ya.